Hi, what's up, THETA Network holders? So it's a warning for all THETA Network coin holder, my brother, because this time the THETA Network is completely fails down. So holders, be alert and be safe from the loss. Otherwise, my brother, you are completely going the loss now. So the last 7 days chart is on the screen, my brother. In this chart, absolutely, I predicate this coin. I share opinion. So let's get started the brand video. But kindly, before I get started this video, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Let's see, my brother. Now the prediction is going to be positive. Now you know I already predicted this coin, but my friend, I want to do a technical analysis. So absolutely, hope you understand. Now as you can see, my brother, this chart is completely show you to after a fail, every cryptocurrency will take a huge jump, and I use this formula from last 3 years. So therefore I am 100% sure to after this fail, as you can see, my brother, after this jump they take a short fail. So I know to after this fail they also take a very huge jump now. So if they will take a one more huge jump now and they hit this line, so I hope, my brother, they will recover all the loss now. So if they recover, so I hope the price change occur will be positive now, and the price is also increasing now. 9.1 USD dollar this time the latest price, last 7 days price, and the latest price is 6.68. so it's mean, my brothers, to just in only and this week they are lost, my brothers, 3 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, it's a very bad fail. But don't see this short fail, my brother, you know, especially when they take a jump, so they will hit all the records, and I am 100% sure to the end of month they will move upward now. They will give you a very good profit now. So let's see to what they do. But kind of holder, just and only you need to hold it. If you hold, so I hope they will move upward now. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you. I hope you understand. Please share your opinion in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, like video and subscribe channel.